Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is actually our first video, and we just wanted to give you guys a bit of an introduction to the channel as a whole. Touching on what we're about and how we can, help you guys make money investing and trading, either for some side money or, even for a living. This isn't like, this channel is here to help you, but this isn't something that is like a get rich quick scheme or anything like that. But if with a little bit of time and dedication, even with people who don't have that much money, can start investing, and you can definitely make a substantial amount. It's a myth that investing and all this stuff is for rich people or people with a lot of money. That's not necessarily true, because you can start off with as little as $100. It doesn't even matter. You can start off with less than that. It all depends on your age. All you need to really be is 18, and that can even be, that may not even be a requirement. But it's for everybody, anybody who's willing. Or like some people think this is like, it's real complicated, just because it looks complicated and you see it on movies in Wall Street, but that's not necessarily true either. And that's why we're here. We just want to show you how you can safely grow your money for whatever your goals are, whether it be long-term, short-term, or anything like that. Short-term goals, making money, day trading and swing trading, we're here for that. Or long-term, looking at to hold something for years, we can help you predict that, and what to hold and how you should hold it, how much you should buy, things like that. And we're just here to really guide people, because I know a lot of other people on YouTube and on the internet, it makes this seem really confusing, something that not a lot of people can get into. We're just here to make it simple, make it so that anybody can do it and anybody can understand it, because this is something that is really good to know, even if you don't trade. But just having the knowledge in general is something that can definitely be helpful for you in the future or anything like that. And that's what we're really here for, just to make things easier and simple. Even people with a small account, for example, I can show you guys how a small account can grow. I traded this recently. A small account with maybe like $500, for example. Maybe your first day trading, you could have traded this, entered in, at a reasonable point with $500, and with proper guidance, you could have went up around 70%. Your first time trading, 70% of 500 is $350. You would have, just like that, made $350, almost double what you put in. I mean, that doesn't happen every day. A more reasonable thing to look for is 5 to 10%. So that's $50, $25 to $50 starting off. Granted that you put $500 in, that's more reasonable. It's starting off, but like that's not limiting you. You can make up to like the 70% here, or 20%. Like, big jumps happen every day. You just have to know how to find it, have people willing to teach you how to find it, and that's what we're really here for. It's not something that is limited to a certain type of person. You don't need a special degree or pay for any type of training. And a lot of it can seem complicated, the way people word things, the way people type things, the way people put the videos together. But in our future videos, we really want to show you techniques, patterns, and all those things that other people talk about, and just make it simple. Just show you the ways we did it. And none of us have any major background in business or finance, and we've made a substantial amount of money from trading long term and short term, and we've been able to really grow our money from doing stuff. And we just want to share it with everyone else, and share with the people that are too afraid to start, or share with the people that are too confused to start. Because at first it could be overwhelming, and there are a lot of things to it. But just with some extra time and a little bit of effort, this is something that anyone can definitely get into, and anyone could definitely profit from. So thanks for watching. Our future videos are gonna have way more information, we can go into specifics, the patterns, and things like that. Just stay tuned for more. So subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.